Enigma short on the YM2. Divergence down NQ on the 36. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 7. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 9. Delta shift NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Full touch hot. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 7. NQ on the 7. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5. Alpha Delta down NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Enigma short on the YM2. Double Delta NQ on the 9. Delta Delta NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 7. Fib dot NQ on the 36. Harmonic NQ on the 7. Enigma short on the NQ on the 5. Fib dot NQ on the 36. Fib dot NQ on the 7.
Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Good morning. Let's get straight to it. A few minutes late for our date. Let's go. Thank goodness you don't have to be perfect to be profitable. Don't forget trading is risky and all that business. And I'm going to go down here into the main execution window. So if you are brand new with us, just hopping in the first time with us, hop to the Mentorship Monday video. Let's see, we are 7 minutes past the US Open, and we've got a little PRZ cross here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this as my first shot here, right in king timing. It's a little bit nerve-wracking here. We've been moving up and up and up. We come up fast. Let's see. When we come up fast, I don't think it's going to last. Let's. I'm going to put the line right here where the cross came in right there. I am against the nerd there, so I'm only looking for a T1 scenario here. Looks like, okay, nope, we breaking out the back of it, so stop out on the very first one here. Going to be looking for a spot here to take my L on this one. That first PRZ cross not working. Adding in on the Seuss back behind to 7.1. They're still hearing buyers clacking on the tape. So getting into a little trouble there on trade number 1. There is a 7.1 here to see if it's got got a turn or not. We do have, there's a 5.8. I'll add in right there. And see if we're exhausting at all. We've got a second divergence. Wow, whoa, they are shooting through right there. And I'm going to add always on top there with a 6.8. Add in on the 6.8 there. And there's a 10.7. So we're getting the push here, but we'll see. On a 10.7, the opposite side of the Bollinger Touch is a good ways down there. So we do have some space, and hopefully should be able to kind of get my way out of this one. We do have a 2-finger salute coming in on the optimized range as well, with a little down 2-finger. Hopefully will help me get out of that position with, not necessarily looking for a win, but I'm trying to mitigate the loss here. Here's King timing. As soon as this comes down, touches my POE, or close to it. Whoops, we just got an Enigma right there. We did touch down to the nerd on red just a moment ago there. So hopefully that's helping me out. We touched strong buy and came off of it immediately, which does tell me I might have a good spot here in this zone, or a potential 100-tick play here at the 10.7 on the high time frame. Let's see, we're approaching it. That might have been my last spot. Yep. Okay, ready DD one more time there on a PRZ. And yikes, we've got a 12.5 Enigma long right here. That's going to be a problem. Okay, pull half as it touches my POE. Came down quick. Okay, let's see if we get the full 100 ticks. There's 92 ticks. 84, 76, popping up here. Seuss on the red. Seuss one more time right there. Oh, come on, fill me. Pay me for my stress here, bro. All the way down to the white line where we would have wanted to stop out from before.
Divergence of NQ on the 9.
Okay, taking off half as we touch that stop from previous. There is an HMD long right there. They're pushing all the way through. Back of the crab, taking off another half. Got 7 left. I saw 95 ticks there. Let's see, there's 104, closing it out for 8K. Big play off of the 10.7. I'll take that. I'll take that on the first play. Right there, 10.7 for the finishing move there on the high time frame. Popped it down, and big numbers putting up there on the first trade of the day. If you're brand new with us, you might not understand how the ads work through that, but to get through the training program there, go to the advanced stop and exit strategy there on half on half off ad. So half on half off ad, made use of those buttons over there on the right. Again, this will come with your system installed with the setup right out of the box if you install ALGO on top of NinjaTrader. Welcome aboard to all the new folks. Trade number 1. I am looking for 5 trades here this morning. Yeah, we walk through all this stuff on Mentorship Monday. On a day like today, what are we at, Thursday? Yes, Thursday. And coming in late here this morning, didn't even get through my checklist there this morning. Let's see, let's back up here a moment and let's go ahead and finish it out. Bob, what's up, buddy? Great to see you. Thanks for that text there this morning and the insights on your thoughts on Gex. I appreciate that. Okay, we got a super AO right here. I'm going to go ahead and toe in the water here. I'm hearing buyers step all the way through this, but a potential super AO in this zone that I talked about from this morning. Nope, they pushed through. Okay, so yoicks. Winner, and then looks like we're going to be back to potential loser here. There's a 9.8 adding in on the 9.8 right there. We've got buyers stepping in. We got a red crossover on the 9s. Hopefully that will help me just bail on the play. Yep, okay, pulling half as we touch my POE.
Fib.NQ on the 7.
Can we go back down and touch that previous 8-9? Let's see. There's
Enigma short on the RT1.
blue dot, so I'll peel half on the blue dot there. So stop on the Super AO is right here, so I'm not trying to be a hero on this one, but it does look like, okay, I missed my exit, talking too much. Red dot, add to position there, double dots.
NQ on the 36.
Our buyer's still going to be committing here. It's 9:43. I don't know if we have news at 9:45 because I was coming in late here. I didn't get to check my news arena. I would say didn't get to. I definitely could have, but running late here to. Okay, I'm going to close it. No, we're going to take the loss here on that. Too risky. We are strong buy over there on the left hand side there, so I'm not even looking for a T1 scenario there in the zone. Over here on the right, we did see another nice 8.2 coming in for a potential reversal there for a 50 to 100 tick bag. There it goes. It went afterwards. It came up, the Enigma got its target first, and then we're coming down. I'm hearing sellers step in now. Look for an entry here if we break this bat. Okay, there's a red dot. I'll take the HMD inside there with the sellers starting to step there. Came back off of strong buy to moderate buy, so one of the correlated instruments came down. Which one was it? Looks like the Dow. Okay, there's a 4.9. Still hearing buyers all the way in on that, so can't add right there. A lot of snap crackle pop there. Need to hear sellers before I can take another spot at that. We have a 24.3 Enigma on the 4s, so one level down from me. We just got a 24.3 on NQ. That's a pretty big Enigma level there. There's a ready DD. I'll add in right there. It looks like we got some steady eddy pushing up there one more time. Did not see. Oh, I did. There's a cross. Okay, the cross came in 7.1 on the 9s right up above me there. And I just missed my half spot there. Good morning, Greg. Awesome, Bob. Thanks for dropping in. All right, no, I'm gonna take my loss. This is getting too dangerous when they start pushing up like this. I need to hear the sellers come back through again. So easy come, easy go there on the first couple of trades there this morning. The buyers are in. They've been pushing up pretty hard. They're at 7.1. They double tapped up top here. If they come back down under that 7.1, and if I start to hear the sellers and I get a play, I'll take it. But these last few, they have just been able to push right through, and red sides have not held many of them. That little bat was able to push this all the way up. So buyers are still in control here for the time being. Let's see. And they were able to push through. That was a big 24.3, and they just pushed right through it. Like it wasn't even there. Pull this up on the screen there. Look at this guy, 24.3, and they just pushed it all the way through on that one. So I do want to kind of label that up here for later. When they just it didn't even get to its target, 24.3, and they're still pushing up through. So that just kind of tells me, man, bulls are on parade there for the moment.
NQ on the 36. Harmonic NQ on the 9.
Yeah, long side players had plenty of plays here. this morning so far. The bots are actually also down. Bots are down about 2K right now. 3K, 3,100 at the moment. Tricky spot where they're coming in hot there. So I have heard sellers go all the way down through this. Okay, we broke the enigma. I'll look for areas to jump in on the sell side now, as we did break even another enigma. So this now tells me sellers are coming in hot. Just need an entry. Profit target has been reached. Okay, so the bots are now up $1,000. That happened very quickly. Okay, profit target. You heard the little alert there. So the bots are up $1,000 there now. Let's actually bring over the ES as ES points. So NQ goes, and one of my kind of favorites to read through there. But as far as the profit targeting, so if you're brand new with us, and we have the auto take profit triggered there, alert there, high watermark 1,087, and that's what I have for the bots. I want the bots to do their work. They'll do in about $1,000 for me, and then I will kind of take over and do the rest of the work there. But I kind of consider my bots to be my employees. They did a good job there this morning. Let's give the bots a round of applause there. And let's see if I can do better. I got 8K off the very first play and gave back 7 on a big set of plays there, while the bulls just started stepping in, doing their bull march there this morning. All right, there's my ready to date at the top of the channel. Wow, it didn't hardly have a chance. It could try to add in more. Didn't get filled there, too quick. Okay, it came back and filled me. So ready DD plus the top of the channel. We have had sellers come in there. The nerd is still green over there. I'm hoping for a shift. That was 70 ticks there. Should have taken off some at 50. Too quick for me. Could not respond fast enough while I am chatting at the same time. You'd be surprised at how hard it is to talk and trade at the same time. I would not recommend it for anyone. I would not add that to your list of things to do. Don't be trying to talk it through. Okay, I'm going to pull half there as they're coming back to me. 4.6 for the ad. If we pop past that cross, then we'll have to be thinking about a loss on this play here. We are at the top of the channel. The channel now turned green. There she goes. Okay, so there's a shark for the target. Zeus. And they are coming back in and marching it all the way back up into a crab. 13.9 power PRZ. Wow, look at them just cut right through that cross like it's not even there. Add in on the cross at the back, and they're just pushing it all the way back to a few ticks from high of day. They're at the green dotted line. ES pointing up, so NQ goes. Wow, that is a launch and a half off of that 9.7. 330 ticks to the upside. 4.9 at the top. Let's see how much trouble I'm going to get myself into here. There's a mega late Nate over on the right. I'm going to go all in on that little cluster right there and see if we get a nice beautiful down move down to 29,863s or bottom of the bowl there, or not. There's a red dot for my final ad in there, and yeah, we'll see if we can play this spot, play this area here. Okay, I'm going to pull half there inside of that little cipher diamond area, bottom of the channel. We also got a red dot here on the 9. So again, higher time frame play is what I'm looking for here. I want to look for a triple crown. Triple crown before we go down. There's king timing. I'll assume we have news at 10 a.m. One of the things that coming in late here did not hear. Click on the financial juice there, and yes, we have 10 a.m. existing home sales at 10 a.m. here in about 7 minutes. Yes, still pointing up here.
Divergence down NQ on the 36.
Mitigated some of the loss here on that moments ago. We got R2 up above us. Do they want to just kind of pop it up there? Let's see. We got a divergence over there on the optimized range after a ready DD. Top of the bowl. As we touch the bowl, I will start to short at the top of the bowl here with
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
the divergence top of bowl after ready DD. So get ready, take the next play. That'll be the next play, right?
Session high.
There's a 5.1. I just missed my ad there.
Alpha Omega up NQ on the 5.
Okay, here's a cross. Add on the cross.
Delta shift NQ on the 5.
Delta shift. Add in. Starting to hear sellers.
By Mr. Scanner to get the US existing home sales forecast. 4 spot 2% prior 4 spot 17%. Existing home sales change forecast 1% prior 3 spot 2%.
Bull touch hot. Double delta NQ on the 5.
Okay, got to get ready. Ready for the next play. Should be looking for the next entry. Get ready. Still pushing. There's the top of the channel. Can we get across with it? There's a Zeus right after the top of the touch. Are they going to help me out here? Existing home sales numbers coming out in 4 minutes.
NQ on the 7. Enigma short on the NQ4. Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Oh boy, 10.3 Enigma green alongside inside a strong buy. ES pointing down, so I'm hoping NQ I can get a leg out of it. It's going to come down and touch my POE for me to get an exit, or no. We got a red dot on the 9s. Seems to be holding for the moment. Hearing sellers come. There's a power headshot long there. If they crack it, that's good for me. If they hold it, that is not good for me at the moment. 9:57. 3 minutes now till the existing home sales numbers. I was hoping they'd have a little shake and bake there. There's a delta shift. You know how they do on the bear side, so fast. Sometimes almost hard to react so fast on the sell side. Good morning, Diego. Thanks for that. 2 minutes.
Harmonic NQ on the 5. Enigma.
Another Enigma to the long side there. We just came into a 17.2 on the time frame just below this. What I don't want to see is them. Okay, this is setting up nicely. I hope they don't cut this out. Let's see. I'm going to put a line marker there. We'll see what happens with the NQ. Hopefully for me, I'm hoping for a head fake and a drop. If not, I could be in trouble here. Let's see, a minute, 15 seconds till that news. They're sitting at R2.
One minute to go now, lead with the US existing home sales.
NQ on the 36. Alpha Omega up NQ on the 5. Up NQ on the 7. Fib.NQ on the 7.
30 seconds.
Fib.NQ on the 36.
Ten seconds. Four spot 09 million, 4 spot 09 million, compared lower than forecast, 4 spot 2 million, prior revised to 4 spot 19 million. Existing home sales change minus 2 spot 4%, minus 2 spot 4%, lower than the forecast 1%, prior revised to 3 spot 7% from the original prior, or 3 spot 2%. Just a heads up here, Zuckerberg from Meta says updated Muse Spark 1.1 outperforms Gemini tools. Says he plans to price lower than competition.
Alpha Omega up NQ on the 7. Fib.NQ on the 7.
Meta Platforms unveils paid AI developer model for the first time.
Fib.NQ on the 30.
Facebook paid model something. Did anybody catch the name of that one?
Rise here off the back of Meta.
What are they calling it?
Zuckerberg's comments.
What's the name of the new demon? There's a legion.
We have posted out the US existing home sales June report on the feed for you to read through.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Yeah, they said the first paid AI developer model. If anybody's got a link for an article on that to post in our Discord, I'd be interested to read up on that one there today. Or if there's a video walkthrough of any of it,
NQ on the 5.
happy to hop in and take a peek.
Fib.NQ on the 36.
I'd like to see a dot break on the bull side, but have not seen one yet. They're holding every dot so far. Thank you, Brian. Meta launches first paid AI development model. $ Meta. Updated Muse, Spark 1.1 outperforms Google's Gemini tools, according to Zuckerberg. Muse, Spark 1.1.
Divergence up NQ on the 9. Two finger NQ on the 36. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Harmonic NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 9. Enigma long on the GC2.
Okay, ES still pointing down. If it starts to point up, I'm gonna have to bail. Don't you do it, ES. Got my eye right there on that ES. Oh, coming all the way back to my POE. Come on. They just 85 ticks straight back to it. Oh man. There's an HMD in there.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Break that dot, please. Nope, they're holding every single dot on the green side. ES now pointing back up here. Has ES points, so NQ goes. It has been
US announces laser weapon agreement with Lockheed
full
Martin.
there all morning. You can see it on the charts.
Enigma long on the GC2.
We are now green and green on tide and wave, so I really got no business being on sell side at all. At least in the morning, had
Laser
a
weapon agreement with Lockheed Martin.
red channel on wave, but it has been bulls on parade there for quite a bit. There, look at that. Top of channel on the 89. Loose down finger in there. I don't know. A lot of technicals to have a potential for a big play to the downside before a continued march up. But who knows? Might be one of those mornings where they just continue to march and march and march. It's a Thursday, so oftentimes I love Thursdays. Thursdays are usually generally a great day to play. Generally opportunities in both directions on a Friday. I'm sorry, on a Thursday. Wow, I'm already thinking about Friday the next day. I was thinking following day is a Friday with the Red Star News events there following morning. You have Red Stars on Thursday morning and on Friday. Back-to-back days of Red Star News events in the morning around 8:30 a.m.
So that's Pentagon issuing a statement on $86 million laser weapon agreements.
Laser weapons.
Harmonic NQ on the 7.
Feels like we're living in an episode of the Jetsons and Star Wars.
Delta ship NQ on the 5.
Kit, you like to play in the 8 algo bars? I mean, it's as much of movement as we've had. I wouldn't say that's a bad idea.
NQ on the 5. Harmonic NQ on the 7.
And you're using the 8s for your entry chart. It's crazy. Usually that can be used as a guide. Like, we're in some massive volatility in these markets for sure. Okay, so this might be an area for the exit there. Missed my add in 150 there. Back of the Enigma. And are we going to touch that zone? We're so close. Seuss. See if we can get all the way into the zone. We got an 11 and a divergence now, so we could see a bounce there. I'm going to add in one more time, see if they'll come and touch it twice. Big 11 on your 9s. If you see it, type a 1 if you got a free hand. 2 if you're new. Seuss, top of channel.
Enigma long on the NQ7.
Okay, second Enigma here now, so looking for the exits. 11.1. Again, this is where we thought we might be able to see potential bounce. We did. Got the bounce up. Would love to see a touch of the bull one more time. Down here trying to hold out for the big dog. Thank you, Neo. Hey, that post is looking really good. Thank you for that. Looks very nice, sir.
NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Get down in there. Thank you very much. All right, we're starting to touch the top of that zone from the morning that I said would be important.
DCDM and
Okay, and that'll do it. That'll do it. I'll take it. So big play all the way up from the top into the 11.1 high time frame. Kind of like what I was saying from before. We're up there. We've touched it. We got another down 2 finger all the way up in there on the 89. Remember, these are 300 to 400 tick plays when they work and when they're coming. Big play in there. Hard to play through there. Had news in the middle of it. I got in here late this morning. Not an easy play. So morning kind of flipping through, kind of like this. First one winner, had a couple of losers in between. Big plays there at the end to rock it out. Huge numbers there on the day. Risk and reward, both directions on both sides of the fence there this morning. 17K plus 1,000, about 18K on the day. Let me see how that played out from a percentage. It's 10-10, coffee time here. Big gnarly dip in there. Not pretty. Learn to love the dips. You're not going to have a perfect straight angle scenario. Not exactly pretty there. Still starting to hear sellers coming in here. Missed a red dot opportunity there on the high time frame. There's I'm gabbing away. Let's see. Moderate sell on the nerd. Looking for nerd plus arrow. We have the arrow. We have jagged on the tape. Jagged on the tape. Big play on the way. Jagged on the tape. Stay on sides of the arrow on the MACV. Okay, got the red arrow. Looking for a play now. Don't need these. Those are the first sets of plays there this morning. There's a delta shift. Looking for an entry. Here comes top of channel. There's the top of the channel.
Process working with government on AI.
I'll toe in there at the top of the channel.
They're getting very good.
Enigma short on the YM2. Enigma long on the GC2.
Okay, I'll close out. Posing signal. There, just a little toe in the water there on that one. Would like to see something more than just that, but we had the get ready, delta shift, touch the top of the channel. We took it. It'll be nice to get an entry. Here's the double cross, double move potential. All right, I'll get the top of the channel. So let's get the measurement on it.
Bold touch low.
Okay, red dot, add to position, top of the channel. So if this plays out for a DCDM, power DCDM, then we're looking at 29,770s. We do have jagged on the tape. My concern is on jagged, if it starts to push up and we get a green arrow, it could be a big move to the upside. So I will have to kill it quickly if we start going up above that zone. Above the potential for this double cross double move is down there, 29,770s.
Divergence up NQ on the 9. Harmonic NQ on the 5 touch low. Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Okay, I'll pull some off there on the shark, and there's a cross here. Let's see if we get the rest.
Altman says OpenAI made many changes after talking to the government.
Oh, well, we all feel better about that then. No, the government people are involved. That sounds fantastic. We can't wait for that.
NQ on the 5.
We talk to the dumbest people in the room and the most corrupt.
NQ on the 9.
Everything's fine. Nothing to see here.
Fib.NQ on the 36.
Yes. Precisely.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 7. Fib.NQ on the 7. NQ on the 36.
Okay, buyer's starting to come back in on that zone. Didn't complete out the double cross, double move zone there. There's my get ready. Look for the next play. We're coming up here at the top of a channel. See if I can get a Seuss there. We went all the way back to moderate buy. So all three correlated instruments popping up there. ES.
Down NQ on the 5.
Keep an eye right here. If it's pointing up, she'll probably keep going. If we get a downturn, though, we might be able to complete that out. Wow, what a snap.
Fib.NQ on the 36. Low on the 7.
Hearing sellers all over it. Back to neutral. Here's king timing.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
And we'll pull some off there at the dot. And completion. Targets filled. Let's go. Look at that. All the way down. Double cross, double move.
Alpha Omega.
Added in on the 7s. Top of the channel. And a beautiful drop in. 14.8 for the exit. 30K on the day. Making that dip not look too...
Up NQ on the 5.
not nearly as gnarly. Big moves on the day. There's, again, depending on what kind of day, the market sometimes is getting big movements. High time frames are coming into play and looking like the high time frames, looking like their lower time frames. That's what's happening here today on a Thursday.
NQ on the 36. Full touch low. Alpha Omega NQ on the 5. Divergence of NQ on the 36. Fib.NQ on the 7.
Okay, so there's
Full touch low.
there's how that wrapped up there this morning. Winner, losers in the middle,
Delta ship NQ
winners through the end. Coming in late, don't do that.
on the 36.
Try not to be late. Be there on time. Get through your checklist.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Feel comfortable in the chair.
Divergence of NQ on the 36. Harmonic touch low.
Nice job, Chris. I see green across the boards. Trading. What do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts there. Nice. Very nice, sir. Going back up there. Red dot, double cross, DCR. Opposing colors there. Let's see if, again, they got a big bounce off the bottom there.
NQ on the 5.
Super AO.
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 9.
Got to be careful of those V-ups these days, man. The bulls start stepping in and they'll take you for a ride real fast.
Newest model is 54% more token efficient on agentic coding, according to Oldman CNBC.
Token efficient. That just means they're going to start charging you big time. I was talking to George and Plutonium about this stuff the other day, and
Double Delta NQ on
I
the
was like, pretty sure they're getting everybody used to it, and it's a bait and switch. And like, oh, look, it's good for you. Get everybody to
Alpha Omega.
want it, need it, and
Harmonic NQ on
then be the only ones who control it. If you think they're doing anything for you, you just have not been paying attention to history.
Alpha Long NQ on the 5. Alpha Omega up
They're like,
on the 7.
Charlie Kirk got shot by a lone gunman.
NQ on the 9.
His neck is made of titanium.
NQ on the 9.
Oh, they're so dumb they'll believe it. They'll buy anything. long as I see it on the television. I saw it on the telly. It must be true.
Fib.NQ on the 7. Fib.NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ.
All right, all the way down to Enigma 19.4.
Divergence of NQ on the 9.
Market's handing out cake here. I'm here for it. Okay.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
PRZ powered, PRZ cross, shark back, shark tail, 4.6. Power headshot. Missed my half off there, too snappy. Half on, half off ad.
Double delta NQ on the 5.
And targets filled. Let's go. Beautiful. Power headshot, shark tail, all the combos.
Omega up NQ on the 7. Fib.NQ on the 7.
Go learn these. You can't sit there and have to think in that play. You have to already know. You have to already know because you had to react quickly. What all do you see right there? Play this back. Go through the tape. Diamond Enigma long. 4.6 power headshot. After 6.9 top of the channel. Shark back, shark tail, headshot. Super combo play in this area there. Making for a nice juicy candy day here for a bear. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, aka me.
Change the forecast of a build of 58 BCF, price a build of 87 BCF.
Big bear on the 5s. Oh, did I miss it? Brian, if you got a free hand, if you mind posting a picture where...
Double delta NQ on the 9.
I mean, I see this one. Was that the one you were talking about? I think you were talking... You said it before that came up, though, didn't you?
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Yeah, there's a big bear right here. This the one you're talking about, or one before? If you got a screenshot of it, let me know. That's 1,000 level right there. Exactly 1,000. Pop this back here. 1,000. Exactly 1,000. Big bear sitting there.
Fib.NQ on the 7.
Ready to rock and roll. Thank you, Brian.
Fib.NQ on the 7.
Oh, it's a 2,000 level. We got a 2,000. Oh, on MNQ. Did you say MNQ?
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5.
Yeah, see, when you say big bears on the 5s, y'all, okay, this is that moment in time to talk about not the same, okay? MNQ and NQ, not the same, okay? So,
Full touch low.
be careful of that when you're talking about numbers, particularly.
Full touch low.
Oh, okay, so you're saying that that is NQ data. Okay. Yeah, it's a little confusing when it says, you know, it says MNQ there, but I know what you're saying. So you're executing on MNQ, but you're saying that this chart is NQ?
Alpha Omega down.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, you've got, so this is cool. So he's got 2 data series here, right there. So he's got an advanced level set up here. He's got MNQ for his executions, NQ for the charting. Pretty cool, right? Now, one thing to check for me, Brian. So go into your indicators and make sure that this is for your flow master flagging, that it is attached to the proper data series, because you can attach it to, I mean, it's possible to attach it to multiples, right? So just check it, just double check it, because that is weird that it's you got a 2,000, I got 1,000. It sounds like a scenario where it's like, okay, it's reading from MNQ there. So just double check it. I'm not saying I don't believe you, but I'm just saying, like, be careful. I don't know why they would be that far off, or maybe it was one that I had not seen from before. But right click your chart, go into your flagging, and you can see the properties to see if it's on which data series it's on. So just make sure that it's on the NQ there for you. Just wanting what good things for you guys, for everybody. All right, let's see. We're coming up into R1, another R1 tap here.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5.
I like your button color choices there. I might be applying that one myself. I'm going to save a screenshot of your button colors there, and in our next release, I mean, I might have to adopt that. We might be adopting some of that a little bit more muted colors there. But I'm liking it. I'm digging it. Now I'm going to put that in my
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
business area of ideas. I like it.
Fib.NQ on the 36. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Harmonic NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 7. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5.
Okay, Super AO up here. Okay, I'll toe in the water here.
5 minutes ago now to get the EI natural gas change forecast.
Okay, we've got nat gas numbers, double ready DD right next to each other. Little risky here while I'm hearing buyers come in on the tape, but I'll pretty much take a double ready DD like that almost every time. Looking for at least a T1 scenario there, generally off of a double ready DD. Bulls continuing a march up here, but here is a Titanic zone potential, which oftentimes offers up up to 100 tick grabs. Pull off half on half off ad as this one starts to develop here. Here's a cross area looking for the ad on a Seuss. There's a Seuss. Gave me no juice. It didn't fill me. All right, pulling half there on the dots. Might be our exit. And we'll close out there for 40K on the day. Switch dot. Again, Titanic zone. If you don't know what that is, make sure you go through our training program.
Harmonic NQ on the 7.
Let me get my caps on there.
Harmonic NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 7.
Gonna do it right.
S&P 500 up 0.2%, Nasdaq 100 up 0.1%, and the Dow up 0.09%.
Yeah, I noticed that, Brian. You're 100% right. And all the reds and greens makes the buttons pop out a bit more. Yeah, it really does. I do that. I notice that even around my buttons down here. That, and it's easier to read the text. Like that, that white on green. Sometimes it's a little hard to read. Sometimes, so a little darker green there looks nice. That you've got there going. So we kind of stayed on theme colors with chartreuse green, but different shade there might be good for the button areas. I like it. So you guys might see a different color there in our next release by at least default workspaces out of the box there. Top of the channel, ready DD here. On a delta shift ES pointing straight up there. See if we can get a T1 out of it. There's T1. T2. All right, T1 and a T2. Top of the channel. You know what to do. Delta shift. It says it right there on the screen. Delta shift. It's a gift. Do you see it? If you see it, type me a 1 if you're having fun. 2 if you're new. 3 if you're still just here to troll me.
Double delta NQ on the 5. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Enigma short on the NQ4.
Just pray. Good morning, sir. Hey, thanks for that. I like your profile picture. It's pretty cool. How did you create that, by the way? Are you a graphics guy, or did you create that? How did you create your... I'm interested in your profile pic there. How did you create that? Kind of got a nice little gradient from kind of left to right. It's got a couple different fonts going on there. Looking hot. And if you did it yourself, that's awesome. It looks like you got an eye for things. And listen, not all graphics developers are the same. Trust me, bro. Some people have developed that eye, some people have not. Some people need a little extra help. You know what I'm saying? You created it on Canvas? Nice. Very nice.
Enigma long on the RTY2.
It looks like you got a good eye.
NQ on the 7.
Speaking of good eye, like my baseball coach would be like, "Good eye, Vinny. Way to keep your eye on the ball, boy." It's nice. Smackaroo. Love that dip. Somebody give me a dip gif. It's time to
build of 61 BCF.
Put the chip in the dip.
The expected build of 58 BCF.
Put the tip of the chip in the dip. Let's go. Power PRZ cross. I was busy talking about the tip of the chip in the dip. Learn to love the dips. Stay in there. Keep your head in the game. Yes. Yes. Got dip? Dip. Guac sounds really good right now.
ALGO make it down NQ on the 5. ALGO make it up NQ on the 5. ALGO make it up NQ on the 9.
Just a pinch. Oh, that's so funny. I forgot we in Texas. You gotta get you a dip.
2-finger NQ on the 36.
Get you a good tobacco dip. But I hear that there government telling you that their tobacco's not good for you. The nightshade vegetable and gives you the most amount of opportunity to fight them there viruses, but that's why they don't want you to take it. They don't want me to tell you they want to demonize that there tobacco. Because then they know if you go to the doctor, you ain't coming backy. Gotta watch out for that wacky tobacco. Them there nightshade vegetables, if you take them there viruses can't be touching on you. Then their little vaccination yays don't work on you. They don't like that. That's why your doctor tell you don't take that grapefruit while you're on their heart medicine, because if you do, then you come back the next time and all of a sudden your vitals look good, cleaned out all that stuff, and then next thing you know they're like, well, I guess you don't need our medicine no more. And by medicine I mean snake oil, literally. What, you don't know about that there venom they put into the injections? You wonder why you get all messed up? Because your body's trying to fight that there nastiness.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
You know, your body is programmed to recognize its own DNA. That's why it doesn't eat itself. Your body will literally destroy anything it doesn't have its own DNA signature. That's why it recognizes when there's something foreign in your body. It's not like, oh, this doesn't belong here. It's literally just like, this doesn't have our DNA signature. So anything in your body that doesn't have its own DNA is like, that's not supposed to be here, so we can fight it.
ALGO make it down NQ on the 5.
So when you read back that their vaccination paper in the back, and it's got all this, got that monkey kidney in it and some aborted fetus baby cells and stuff.
Started major work on it.
Yeah, of course your body's gonna kick off its immune system to fight it, because it's just like, That's not supposed to be here. That's not supposed to be here. That's not supposed to be here. This ain't supposed to be here. Everything they tell you, folks, it's a lie. Have you figured that out yet? If you haven't figured it out yet, yeah, come see me. I'm trying to help you out. Well, Vinny, I thought you were about trading. How would you know? You're just a trader. Man, you know what? You know what the thing is about traders is we have a lot of time on our hands. Somebody explain to me, why do traders have so much time on their hands? Thoughts? Because they don't have to have a just over broke job where they can tell you no jab, no job. Financial freedom gives people the opportunity to use their minds and feed their spirit. And if you are successful as a trader when the odds are stacked against you, 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days or less. It is a quite a successful trader. You might want to listen to him. Just saying. Exactly, because it only takes 10 minutes to make 10K. Yeah. But then you're like, well, what else can I do with my day? Well, you know what? I need to find out about the other things. Then you can become an expert in other things that you might want to care about.
According to sources, Russia's Saratov oil refinery has suspended operations since Wednesday after drone attack.
A quick question. What was Epstein's job?
Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5.
Just curious.
Harmonic NQ on the 7. Harmonic NQ on the 9.
Somebody was asking.
Alpha Omega down NQ.
Wasn't me.
Harmonic down NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 5. Alpha Omega down NQ on the 7.
7.6 top of channel.
NQ on the 7.
Divergence on the 9.
NQ on the 7.
Into PRZ over there. T1. We're on strong buy. So divergence coming into PRZ. I'm looking at there, but I don't know. Like what they're doing, that slow motion. If it's slow, it's gonna go. If it's fast, it's probably not gonna last. When in a grind, do not rewind. This might be grinding. I might have to bail on this one. Let's see.
Two-finger NQ on the 36.
Okay, I'm going to grab a 50 bag there. 45 on the day. 45. Let's go. Big red dot showed up in there as well, helping out the show. Beautiful.
Alpha Omega up NQ on the 5.
Look at that.
Alpha Omega up NQ on the 7. Alpha Omega
Beautimus. Beautimus.
Virgins up NQ on the 9.
Correlated, so high time frame opportunity, low time frame risk, correlated with the 7.6 there, top of channel.
AI training startup Mercor discusses $20 billion valuation. Again, this AI training startup Mercor discusses $20 billion valuation.
What's our time? Right at about an hour. Hour and 5 minutes. Just past coffee time there. This is kind of how the day played out. I had a few more trades than normal there. Don't forget the Independence Day sale. This is Black Friday in July. So what does that mean? It's Christmas in July, Black Friday in July. You got 2 days left if you do want to join with us. It's either now or Black Friday for the super offers. Super duper duper. And I always tell you guys, if you've been around, if you are new and you're coming through with the 2-week free trial, during that 2-week free trial, you will get a Black Friday offer if you're checking your emails. Speaking of checking your emails, if you haven't joined our newsletter, we put some really helpful content in there. The stuff that we go over, the parts of wisdom, the tips and tricks. Get on the newsletter so you don't miss out on those tips and tricks. If you kind of want to see them all combined, right now you can go into the wisdom section on the left-hand side of Discord, look for trading wisdom. You can see those tips and tricks. However, if you want to get them in your inbox, you can subscribe to the newsletter there on the website. If you're in a 2-week free trial with us, during that 2-week free trial, check your emails. You'll receive emails not every single day during the 14-day trial, but at the very beginning, we tell you, hey, here's what you should be doing along the way. Day 5, you'll receive an email related to what you're doing there right in the middle of that week. Day 10, etc. When you get down to the last 3 days, we'll be telling you about that special offer, reminding you that you will get the best offer ever during your 2-week free trial. So if that is you, if you're excited about that, go check that out. Jump into a 2-week free trial. You will make sure that you get that Black Friday offer. You'll always be able to get a Black Friday offer no matter when you come and join with us, as long as you do it during your 2-week free trial. Or you can wait out and, you know, save a little bit of money there during our Black Friday events, which are right now 2 days left here during our Independence Day sale, middle of the year, 4th of July. We do this twice a year, in July and at Christmas. Thanks for hanging out here with me there. Beautiful day. Hope you guys did well as well. Lots of trading opportunities there today. You're going to be playing, play it. I think today is one of those candy days. Lots of trade opportunities. Just don't overstay your welcome. Don't forget, you're in the ring with Mike Tyson. You get paid to swing, but Mike Tyson's going to win in the end. So make sure you're not overstaying your welcome. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you guys tomorrow, Friday. Friday is Full Auto Friday. Let me leave you guys. If you're brand new, you need to watch this video. I'm going to play this right now. Don't go, especially if you're new. This is how things work here. I'll usually play this at the very beginning. We also didn't get to get through our checklist. So go to Mentorship Mondays. We book in the week with Mentorship Monday, Full Auto Fridays. Don't miss tomorrow. We're going to be doing the Full Auto stuff in detail. Thanks for hanging out here with me. I'm going to leave you guys with this video right here on how things work. If I can find it here. Here we go. All right, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.
Our daily live streams start with Mentorship Mondays, where we bring you algorithmic trading, interactive mentoring, and your questions are answered live. Get hands-on learning with these quant trading tools engineered to give you an unfair edge over other traders who don't have ALGO box on their trade stations. Discover the power of predictive auto harmonics. Utilize trading robots to quantify and react even in fast market conditions. Learn all our quant trading strategies such as the DCDM, HMD, and the dynamic game-changing order flow system, the Alpha Omega. Empower your trading with Flowmaster's advanced real-time audio and visual order flow analysis features. Detect the market movers' trading activity and take action with cutting-edge tools like AudioBox for live digital hit noise that audibly reveals the size and speed of the big players on the tape in real time. Use the Delta Flagging Pro to ready up your next precision entry and the Supreme Flowmaster Enigma for unrivaled, actionable trade opportunities. Got questions? Get them answered live. Whether you're new to ALGOBox or an advanced trader, you'll gain valuable, unique takeaways in every live trading stream session. Dive into structured quant training. Access our free trade room and free community tools. Test your knowledge in the ALGOBox Academy with tests and quizzes. Add the ALGOBox Edge to your trading arsenal and harness the power of our algorithmic strategies. Your success is our mission. Subscribe now and make every Monday a game changer with Mentorship Monday. See you on the stream. Download your 2-week free trial and use our community tools at algoboxpro.com.